Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RGSE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis a few days ago, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. What I'm going to do is just use these lines here for the current updates. Sure, both of these levels down here do still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. So the first update is just, where's the new battleground at? Well, nothing fancy behind that other than the fact of 26 cents is where the price got rejected from on a couple different instances this afternoon. So for no other reason other than that, 26 cents will be public enemy number one going into Friday. Now, as far as support levels are concerned, one of the newest areas of support, what I would call the ideal level, is right there at 24 cents. Ideal meaning if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute most powerful going forward? Definitely if the price can stay above 24. Now, with that being said, don't get me wrong. If the price were to fall below 24, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all of this from more so the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes on, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 24 would be great, but as far as the big picture is concerned, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. So overall, everything looks great, and really resistance levels, kind of quickly touching on that again, don't matter. Why do I say that doesn't matter? Well, what matters is what the price has already been doing, and that is right there. Building higher lows, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, that's the name of the game. So as long as the price continues to go through healthy consolidations, then just sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.